school came from the old Shining Stars facility, which was anything but optimal for learning, and worked very hard to make this building the kind of facility that would truly meet the needs of kids. And if you just need a place to go to lift your spirits any day, is come to this building. And you will see things that will just literally melt your heart. And it is a wonderful, wonderful program here. And so today we're celebrating the building, but we're also celebrating the children and the staff for all of the really fine work they do.
Shining Stars truly is the heart of our district and really the heart of our community.
Shining Stars is really that first spark, if you think about it, in igniting our student potential. Early childhood education is a priority not only with Rio Rancho Public Schools, but also in our community. With this facility, we are going to be able to do early intervention and serve students for years to come.
Here we go.